So in this video I'm going to go through SOHCAHTOA and how you know when you need to use each element of SOHCAHTOA. So the first step is always to label up your triangle, and we have the hypotenuse, which is always opposite the right angle. Then the adjacent is the side that is next to the angle you're given or you're trying to find out, and then the opposite is the side opposite the angle you've been given or are trying to find out. So SOHCAHTOA, the S stands for sine, the C stands for cos, and the T stands for tangent. And then the rest of the letters represent hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. So if we've been given the opposite and the hypotenuse, then we know that we're using sine. So in this example, the opposite is opposite the angle we've been given, and then the hypotenuse is the longest side opposite the right angle. So to find a missing angle, we would do sine of the angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Then if you've got the adjacent side and the hypotenuse, then you would use cos of the angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then finally, if you've been given or are trying to find out the opposite and the adjacent and the angle, then you use tan, and that's tan of the angle equals the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. And that's how you know when to use each part of SOHCAHTOA.